About 4.6 billion years ago, Earth was a hot and violent planet. Over time, the planet began to cool, forming a solid crust. Steam condensed into rain, filling the planet with oceans. The early atmosphere was filled with simple gases. Lightning, heat, and radiation provided energy for chemical reactions. In the oceans, simple chemicals formed a rich mixture known as the primordial soup. Simple molecules began to form from these chemicals. These molecules combined into more complex structures. Some molecules developed the ability to store information and copy themselves. Self-replicating molecules marked a major step toward life. Fat-like molecules formed protective layers. These lipids created tiny bubbles that trapped molecules inside. Inside these bubbles, chemical reactions became more organized. These structures grew by absorbing materials from their surroundings. Eventually, they began to divide and reproduce. Some cells survived better than others. Over time, the first true cells emerged. These early cells used energy from their environment. Cells became more complex and diverse. From these tiny beginnings, all life on Earth eventually evolved. Billions of years later, humans would uncover this story.